everybody. So I thought I'd try out our new panels that we built the other day, and as you can see, they work pretty freaking awesome. I think they work excellent, actually. So we had 3 full trips of brush that we just hauled to get rid of, and I really think that the panels for the log truck were a success. They did exactly what I was hoping they would do. They work exactly the way I hoped they worked, and I think it's going to make life a lot easier down the road. Any more projects, anything else we're building that I got to cut branches, trees, whatever, brush, get stuff, tops of trees, whatever, get it all out of the way, make it into a nice pile. The only thing I did notice is that I cut some of the branches too long, some of the brush, the trees, the sections. When I was cutting the trees down and cutting them up, I cut them too long, so they hit on the back here where I was standing and running the log loader. But otherwise than that, everything went excellent. So, as you could see in the other video where we finished building these, they go right on and off real easy with a log loader. And if you stay tuned, shortly we're going to some of the logs that we sawed out a couple 3 weeks ago, some of the lumber from that, we are going to build something for these panels with that wood. So I'm not going to reveal what it is right just yet, but we're going to use that lumber for something for these panels. So you stay tuned, and we'll see what the next building with Boofus project is going to be. So till then, thanks for stopping by. Appreciate it. Like this video, subscribe. See you again. Thank you. Bye.